I'm jumping on. That's the problem, dude, is they pick it off this time.
Did
Most of our claims central.
I'm recording some of the new audio profile for Tom.
What do you mean?
How they changed the audio profile on
Just use JSRS 2.5. It's
update.
beautiful.
changed to what?
Use JSRS 2.5. It's a mod. It's client side.
Okay.
It's probably about a gig and a half. It does all the sounds. It does it so well actually that you can actually tell when something is further away.
Well, on the new mod they've done that on the Eden update.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I haven't seen
The sound of my guys fighting, maybe half a mile away, is completely different than fighting next to me. It's hard to explain, but
Oh yeah, it sounds teeny almost. Yeah, I don't know what's funny is it took me this long to update that, but when the game first came out, we relied heavily on mods. Now I think they're trying to really don't want to use it. So you're using the beta version.
yeah.
Okay.
I hope they release the full version soon.
Yeah, me too. I'm tired of this one. Which downloading. So Doom comes out May 13th, baby. It's already been. It's got a it just got its release date today. It's on Steam. Oh man,
He's hit.
I'm asking off that day. I'm actually making request for it right now.
Shit. There's shots cracking over my head.
What?
I can't tell where this guy's coming from. I'm playing in the editor. I was trying to figure out why it kept telling me to decrease the number of objectives on the mission. I think I figured it out.
I love how girls expect you to take them seriously when they post pictures of like people fucking. I'm like, do girls get tired of the same good dick? I'm like, get off of Facebook. Like, how old are you?
Man. My whole life, I honestly thought for a number of years, like, yeah, guys say they don't have women figured out, but I think I've got women figured out, But
Yeah.
I was lying to myself. Women are fucking insane.
Oh yeah, totally, dude. They're fucking nuts. That's all I figured out. That's all I've learned in the past 4 years of me dating. That fucking women are crazy.
Tom, are you still there?
Girls.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure something out.
Hey Tom, baby.
Shut the fuck up, Tanner. Kill yourself.
I'm gonna fuck you until your throat's sore again if you keep talking shit.
Yeah, alright, sure. We all know it'll never happen to me.
Talking
Dude,
shit.
this is so much fun, man.
That's what she said.
Oh, I want to play alive, man, and just do what we've been planning on doing, Tom. Just go out,
Dude.
fucking try to conquer the world.
The best. This is gonna sound really retarded. The best Arma experience that I can honestly tell you is to not carry anything more than 6 magazines there with one in your weapon, and do not use a sight. Use iron sights. It is the best experience you'll ever have in Arma.
Just because it's a challenge. Shit. Oh, I'm
Just
dead.
because it's a challenge, yeah. The only problem is if you use it default without the mods on it,
Mhm.
you get trashed on.